What is going on, guys? Justin overview update back again with another video, and today we're currently in the city right now. We're heading to the candle store here in Toronto to pick up the BHFR candle dropping today, Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. The candle store here looks really nice, so I'm gonna bring you guys along for the journey. We got a little bit of a line now. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to the candle shop and there are a few people here. We're currently fourth in line. As you can see, it's going down to the candle shop here in Toronto. 2 minutes into the store opening, they just dropped a candle. So they got the little outdoor setup going on right there with the shields. When I tell you guys it has taken 15 minutes to get one candle, I'm not lying. 15 minutes for a pickup candle? What the fuck is going on today? What in the world? Check out the store, guys. Looks pretty nice. As you can see, it's packaging everything up right there. Got the different options. Good thoughts, sweeter things. I'm gonna show you guys what I ended up picking up for myself when we get back. But beautiful store here in Yorkville. Alright guys, just left. As you can see, bag is secured. We got the candles. Alright, so before we head to the #1 cookie store in Toronto, we gotta bust down the fit real quick. You know, Marc Jacobs on the tee. You see what's going on. A little stony. Air Forces. Hold on. Get the socks. You see what's going on right there. Certified shit going on. We in the building, man. We better get some cookies. I'm gonna show you the exclusive. Let's go on with the vlog. Yes sir, it was getting kind of cold outside to throw a hoodie on, but we're going to the #1 cookie store in Toronto. I don't care what anyone says or anything else is better. This is the #1 spot right here on Church Street. I'm gonna show you guys the exclusive.
Thank you.
You're at 34 points now.
Thank you.
All right, take care.
Bye. All right, y'all. Bag secured. Cookies secured. Take a look at these. We got M&M, peanut, Bounty. Oh my goodness. Got a little Starbucks in there too. We eating good today. Anyways guys, we better head back to the crib now and we're gonna get into those candles. So I'm gonna catch you guys when we get to the crib. So we just got back from a little outing today from picking up the candles. As you can see, we got the bag and we got one of the candles right here. We got Sweeter Things and Good Thoughts. So let's start off with the packaging. Shout out to Candle here in Toronto. Shout out to Nico actually. He's the one that put me on this store. And as you can see, Candle right there spelled like that. We got the nice tissue paper, the black tissue paper, and inside they actually included a free gift. So shout out to Candle. First things first, we got the nice free gift coming into this dust bag. And I'm pretty sure it is just a little small candle. It does smell pretty good, so shout out to them for including that. It also came with a note with the logo on the front and a little note on the back. I guess when you spend $70 on a candle, you get some goodies as well. You get the experience. But without further ado, we gotta hop straight into the candle. So after unwrapping the candle, we're presented with the outside of the box, Sweeter Things. And we got the grams, we got the logoing right there. Embossed on the side there, we got the BH for Better World. It is on both sides, and it is just a slide open box. So here we go guys, the grand reveal. Boom, there it is, Sweeter Things. Nicely written on there with the gold Sharpie font. Sharpie as well to write whatever you want. Just below, if it's a gift, it's for yourself, whatever you want to write. You can also see the blue velvet lining around the candle, very nice. And turning the candle on the opposite side, we got Drake's signature and the logo as well. And here are both of them together. We got Good Thoughts, Sweeter Things. The Carby Musk was actually $100. These were $60 each. I think the Carby Musk has a bit more into it, so it's a little more expensive. And also it does last longer, so definitely keep that in mind if you want to purchase one of these for yourselves. They both definitely really have a nice smell to them. They're also a pretty sick display piece, just having it held like this on the table or wherever you want to put them. That's gonna do it for the vlog today, guys. I hope you did enjoy. I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace. Alright guys, my phone died, but we're currently on Yonge and Dundas. You know where the Nocta posters were. Jeez. Love your mom. Where's the other one at? Time to get my mom lit. Take a look at that. There it is.